everyone, good morning. Today is 7 o'clock. Tapos 12 degree. Tapos tayo ay wala tayo ibang gagawin ngayon kundi washing day. Dapat Sunday yung washing namin. Kaso lang kailangan namin mag-washing ngayon. So dito tayo sa laundry room. Good morning po sa lahat. Pasensya na sa ating background. Ayan. Maglo-load lang ako. Isang load lang po ngayon. Ito na yung gamit kong. Yun po yung gamit namin na. Gamit namin na sabon. So maglo-load tayo. No? Isang load lang. Automatic naman yung washing machine. So isang load lang tayo. Balik na natin. Maganda po ba ang ating gising ngayon? Malamig dito, 12 degree, pero hindi na kagaya dati na abot ng 8 or 10. Ba't ganito yung background ko? I mean, lights ko. So, ganito lang siya. Lagay ko na yung sabon. Tapos, ayan lang siya. So, dekulay po yan ngayon, ang ating lalabhan. Iset na natin siya sa settings ng on power. Tapos, naka-end pa pala. Ulit. Gawin nating daily. Tapos yan lang, 1 hour na yan siya. Tissue is life. Toilet paper yan tawag. Tayo natin ng 1 hour yan para maghanda tayo ng ating breakfast. Samahan niya ako. Amen. Good morning everyone. This is our brekkie healthy breakfast. Tomato, cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage. In-steam ko lang yan siya. Plus garlic aioli.
That's at least grounds to petition for a plea of the You okay? Why? What class this time? Oh, here. Only thing. Just been here. Not a can of ginger. I'll eat roadkill. Tell us about it. I feel you. Not only am I bigger than I was with twins, I'm also sicker. I swear, my 6-year-old thinks her mommy's hungover. You want to try it? Let's try the ones. Here, take it. Keep it. You made these? We can't be friends. Oh, open her eyes.
There's dragon.
I don't know what that was.
Look, man, I really need to see him.
Hold up. He's not here. It seems he's been transferred.
You swear.
It doesn't say. System's messed up. Take a few days to update. What'd you give me, damn it? Okay, calm down. Just something to help you sleep. What the hell was it? We'll see what that was. I'm in the cover. You can't give me that junk. The doctor rounds in the morning. We'll take it up with him. But if you don't want any more, you need to shut it.
Okay, not that.
Nick, you're spinning. We'll find her. Talk to you later. Why is the public defender asking for CCS support?
What do you think?
Good morning, everyone! Wala na siya. Lumabas na yung araw. Magsasampay po tayo ng ating labahan. Sasampay natin yan. Araw! Andyan na si Haring Araw. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You happy when stars are gray, when stars are gray. Naulan kami naman. Hello! Magsasampay po tayo. Hindi na yung sasakyan nilang maingay. Ayan. Magsampay tayo. Sa loob lang ako nagsasampay kasi malamig. Maumahangin. Matuyo din ito. Once a week lang kami naglalaba usually po. Pero ngayon nagpa-part-time work siya. Araw-araw kami nagbibihis ng pang-alis. So, naglalaba tayo twice a week. Next week, bahay lang tayo, wala tayong ibang ganap. Di tayo lalabas, wala tayong ibang appointment. Wait lang. Madilim pala. Ganito lang po buhay dito. Medyo yung routine natin ay routine lang, walang ibang bago. Gusto ko ba talaga dito mag-visit dito sa Lifeline, pas boutique. Maganda pa. Tagwa $1 lang siya. Bili ako ng Sabbath dress nakaraan. Ang hanap ko talaga is shoes. Doll shoes or clothes shoes or sport ba shoes. Marami kasi hindi kasya sa akin. Size 7. 6 lang man ako. Size 6 lang yung pa ako. Nanood kami ng kanina pa to natapos ang paglalaba. Inanood kami ng manifest na palabas. Ang ganda. Ngayon nakapost na, parang makagawa kami ng gawain namin. So that's all for today. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching our live, our videos, our content.